Okay, for this next step, the big thing is you're going to need to remember, that's orange up there, just so you know, that you need to remember that there's different patterns to this. What we're going to be looking at to find these patterns are these yellow pieces that aren't in the cross, okay? So right now we have two coming out this way, and a yellow coming out this way, and a yellow coming out this way. So I think of it like sticks coming out. I want the horizontal ones coming out this way, the vertical ones coming out this side. Okay, another pattern. I call this the fish. Well, I'm not the only one who calls it, but that's what it's called. So you got a fish here. Okay, and then what you want is you want this yellow piece to be here. If it's not here, if this wasn't here, then what you would do is you'd rotate it to this way and just show it from this position. But since it is here, we're going to go with that. So you're going to take this and you're going to go down, over, back, over, down, back, up, down, just like that. Okay? Again, it's video, play it over and over and over. Again, we have the horizontals on this side. So what we want to do is we're going to put on this side. And from there, you can go down, over, up, over, down, put this down. Then you're going to go to this side. Okay? And this is the step we like. We have this backwards L thing again. So you're going to take this side, go down, over, up, over, back down, there. And again, if you find this to be difficult, it's all white right there, and so you're just matching it with that. Okay, and there's your yellow top. I think we've covered all the steps, all the different patterns. Okay, here's another pattern. Again, horizontal on this side. So I'm going to go take this one, go down, go down, over, across, over, up, go back down, and go down. Okay? And then you're back to the step that we've gone over and over and over. Get yellow here, yellow here. So you can create this backwards L thing from here, goes down, over. And we've done that before. Okay? Again, this one's horizontal on this side, vertical on this side. What you're going to do is you're going to take this down, over, up, down. This goes back over, goes down, goes down. Okay, horizontal on this side, go down. That's the other one. I've got this one, yellow here, yellow here. So we're going to take this, go this direction. So again, backwards L. Okay, and there's the yellow top. One more step and we're done.